This is what you need to own a puppy. Okay. Well, first off, we've got the cage. I'm getting a small dog, so this would be perfect for my little chihuahua that I'm getting today. In a couple of hours, actually. But I got a bed in here. Good size for a chihuahua. Okay. Then you've got the collar. Another bed for when it's an adult and it can sleep out of its cage. So when it's potty trained. Stuff just to clean the floor with. Once he pees on the floor, because he will. Puppy food. Puppy toys. Food and water bowl. The leash. Puppy shampoo. And puppy pads. That is all you need to own a puppy. Right there. It just depends on the size of the dog. Like if you have a big dog, definitely bigger cage, bigger bed, bigger toys and bigger food and water bowl and bigger collar, definitely. So just buy all this stuff and you will start out with a great beginning of owning a puppy. Thanks.